Hey guys, Levon and Jake here from the Knife Nuts podcast with a look at a new knife. Jake?
Yes.
A new knife called the Fragment from BRS, Blade Runner Systems. And this will be the second in their E-Volve line. Actually, I guess it would be the third, right? The second one was this, the Apache. Oh man, I just misfired this thing, which is kind of impossible to do. But this has been very popular with the Knife Nuts in general, and we've really enjoyed carrying the Apache. So Blade Runner Systems sent along the third model in their lineup, which is called the Fragment. And at first glance, we thought these were going to be friction folders, but they are in fact full-blown titanium frame locks on bearings. They flip great. They lock up very solid. And they're built really, really well. They have a 2¼ inch blade out of S35 VN, which is also surprising. Now, when we saw the price, everything started to make more sense because these start at $155 and these are $165 with the carbon fiber inlays. I'll show you this one real quick. Still a lot of value here. I think the name and the brand speak for themselves. They have a great reputation. These are solid little knives that come with a lot of utility. And the addition of these hex bit drivers just adds a lot of utilities. It almost qualifies more as a multi-tool than just a pocket knife. And these are 2 individual sizes here, so you can use a lot of different bits with these, which is really cool. They have a backspacer also made out of aluminum here. At least I think it's aluminum. Also with that coating. Just a really solid build. Lanyard loop here, some additional design details here with the little holes. Pretty cool options here. I do find myself going back to the standard gray one. I just think it carries over that utilitarian theme here. And I could see a lot of people getting into this knife, it being their main use, their go-to EDC, because it's not very threatening. I could see people using it who work in shipping, all sorts of different uses for this knife. Again, the action is just excellent. I mean, certainly blew my expectations out of the water. But these will be around shortly. I think they're up for pre-order right now on Blade HQ. But that's really all I have to say about it right now. But I really want to carry it a little more and see how everything works out. But really been enjoying this BRS Fragment. Take a look for it soon at your retailer of choice. All right, thanks, guys.